will explain one important topics. So let me first show you the output. So suppose this is a web page and there is a grid. Let's say it is a student list grid. So this is the master grid. Suppose whenever you are adding a new student, you just have to click on add in grid. So one pop-up has come. Here you are entering details. So I am entering details and then click on add. Then this pop-up is getting closed and one item is inserted into the list grid. So like the same way you can add another data also. So if you just add, then the master grid is getting refreshed. So now the question is how we can do this kind of control. So just show you, I have already written the program for you. So I will just explain you part by part. So this is a basic HTML. So in the title I have given master grid refresh from pop-up, and here in the body section I have written the student list grid, and then I have created a table. So this is the dynamic table which will be updated after I add a new value from the pop-up. So it has 4 columns: column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. So you can add as many number of columns you want to put here. Then below that grid there is one button. So that button name I have given, and also I have given what will be displayed in the button. So that is add in the grid. So as you can see that add in the grid is being shown here, and then on click I have just called a JavaScript add in grid. So where is this JavaScript? This JavaScript is in the script tag inside the head, and this JavaScript, what it does, it just opens a pop-up. So window.open, and here I have given the HTML file what will be opened, and that child pop-up object I have stored in a variable. So let's see what is there in child pop-up HTML. So this is the child pop-up HTML. So inside that HTML I have a body, and here if I just add, I will be able to see that there are column 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the column values can be put here, and then clicked on add. So for that I have added 4 text fields: column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4, and given ID like col 1, col 2, col 3 and col 4. And just below that there is one button called add, and on click of the button add in master grid, that function is being called from here, and that add in master grid, that actually is inside that script tag. So this is a function. So what I am doing nothing, but for the 4 text fields I am just fetching the value column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. I am now fetching. So that is document.get element by id column 1. So get that object and dot value, so to get the columns value, and then from the pop-up I have to access the parent windows, this particular table, because from here I have to send value to the pop-up, that pop-up parents particular table. So this is my child and this is my parent. So if I have to access anything from the child to the parent, as I have shown in the earlier videos, and that video I'll put in the I button so that you can see. So for that we can access by window.opener. So window.opener points to the parent Windows window object. So window.opener dot document, so it is now accessing the document object of the parent. That means it is accessing document object of this particular page. So and then get element by id, I am accessing the list table from here, and then once that dyna table object I found, means the dynamic table, then I'll just call one function on top of that object, insert row. So insert row function actually inserts a new row in the table. So I have received the new row object, and then I can insert 4 cells. So new row dot insert cell 0, new row dot insert cell 1, new row dot insert cell 2, and new row dot insert cell 3. So like that way I have added uh, four cells. So what I'll do, and then once I have that cell object, I can access the inner HTML of that cell, and the values what I have taken from those text field I can assign over there. So cell 1 dot inner HTML is equal to column 1 value, cell 2 dot inner HTML, column 2 dot value I am assigning. And when this is assigned, means the values from the pop-up is assigned, into the parents, the table row, then I am closing the pop-up. So this is the pop-up. So when I am telling window dot close, it is closing that pop-up. As you can see that this is okay. Assigning value to 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. And if I do like this, and then add 1 2 3 4, see, it is now inserting correctly. So the first column there is some blank, and then you have to do like this, then it will work. So I think if you now comment out this, it should work, but I think you have to insert like this and it will work. Hope you have seen how we can refresh the grid from the pop-up, and there was a bug and we have fixed that also. So thank you very much for watching my video, and bye bye.